This is the West System 655 Thickened Epoxy Adhesive Repair Kit. It is a high-strength epoxy designed for permanent, waterproof structural bonding. It's designed to absorb the stresses of expansion, contraction, shock, and vibration. It can be used on wet surfaces, even underwater, when applied with specific techniques. It's excellent at bonding to dissimilar materials, including metals, plastics, glass, masonry, and fiberglass. Let's take a look inside. Inside, you will find a resin, a hardener, a mixing palette, a mixing stick, and 2 pairs of disposable gloves. To use, simply take the caps off and squeeze an even amount, so a 1-to-1 ratio of both the resin and hardener. Take your mixing stick and mix the two together, ensuring you collect all the resin and the hardener. This is perfect for use on kayaks, canoes, and for any general DIY project.